Want to learn how to map out your ideal patient experience? Watch this. That was the first step. Then the second step, of course, is, well, how do we want them to flow through your business? Now, this is where people get very confused and it becomes a little bit chaotic because, of course, at least in my business, I could have people do, 10 different tests and try all these different supplements. And I have my 7-day detox program that I put almost every new patient through, or they could do IgG testing or hormone testing or whatever it is. So that's where we have to become very, very focused and say, if my ideal patient came into my business, my ideal client, what would the next logical steps be? So despite the fact that you can do more individualized work with everyone, you would still want to get them in for, let's say, a 3-month package. And in that 3-month package, they would have a visit with you every week or every 2 weeks. Then after the 3-month package, you would upsell them to a 6-month program, which might just be monthly. So therefore, you've guaranteed 9 months worth of treatment. And then after that 6-month package, then they would start coming in maybe every 2 to 3 months. And that is the flow you want your patients to go through. We're not talking about all the added things that you could get those patients to do. All I was getting my next level members to do was to plot out what the programs were or the stages of treatment that they wanted everybody to go through. Another person had an online course that they created, which was high protein, low carb. And so she was doing online launches to get people on it. And I said, well, why couldn't you have each and every new patient that comes into your office, tell them about the high protein, low carb program and just get them to opt in at their own time. It doesn't have to be during a launch. It's already set up to be kind of automated. Why don't we incorporate that into your stream? So a new patient comes in on that initial visit. Most of them are coming in for either fertility, wanting to get pregnant, weight loss, menopausal. So every single one of those people ideally could benefit from a high protein, low carb program. So in her pathway, the new patients, they automatically get invited to, so no one is forced to, invited to sign up for her online program. And then after that, she has them do a visit with her every 2 weeks for the first 3 months. So they're learning the program on their own. And then she's having them actually come in office. And those visits could just be 15 minutes for the next 3 months. And then after that, it would be once a month for the rest of the year and then as needed. So that now became her logical flow. And we kind of put off into this little section, labs are kind of recyclable. So they're going to be ongoing. Supplements are recyclable. They're going to be ongoing. But maybe in your business, the labs and the supplements are part of this pathway. So with, labs are kind of recyclable. So they're going to be the rest of the year and then ongoing.